Thank you for coming back to the weekly videocast of Oriental Pacific Futures based in Malaysia. And this is Dawang here, delivered to you on behalf of OPF. And I am one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in Busan, marketplace.com. Alright, as usual, we'll start off on the FCPO weekly forecast of the pricing trend, which is on this week, moving into the 2nd up to the 6th of November in the year 2015. Well, we are moving into a November month, and we are one more month away to Christmas and to wrap up the year before we move into 21/6. All right, this week, very special. We're going to start from the weekly chart. As you can see here, there's a triangle on the weekly chart, and that means that this week we are going to see likely there is a breaking up of the trend, either moving up or down, which we have not much clue by just looking at a weekly chart. All right, but for sure there's a possibility of breaking up or down. And changing into the daily chart, as we can see here, the market closed at 2362, which is the settlement price for January delivery contract on last Friday. Then again, where the market will be going, all right, and let us take a look at the futures data here. All right, the trading volume was still pretty high on last Friday closing, while the open interest actually dropped down quite sharp, and followed by a uncertain candlestick sign closing at 2362, and that's 2,362 ringgit per ton in the FCPO prices January. That means this week, on the early part of the week, Monday to Wednesday, very likely we're going to see some wind down on the prices, probably on corrective mode. And we are looking at the first support to be resting here at 2300, and that's 2,300 ringgit per ton estimated on the first support. But will the market continue to break below 2,300, which is also lying on the EMA moving average 20 line, or will it actually break up towards the end of the week and move higher, is still unsure until we take a look at the 60-minute chart. Alright, from the 60-minute chart, as you can see here, is a pretty clear sign of an uptrend here as we are moving in a upward trend. Alright, earlier on the day chart, we are looking at a support at 2,300 ringgit per ton, but on the 60-minute chart, we are actually also looking at 2,300 as a first support, or in any case, it has to stay above this EMA 200 line if the market is to remain on the bullish trend. And this level is 2278, as you can see here on the y-axis. All right, 2278, or we call it 2280 up to 2300, is supposed to be a very strong support. If the market after the middle of this week turn up, all right, the first resistance, of course, we are looking at the 2380, all right, 2380, and if it breaks up 2380, most likely it's going to form a double top at 2450 in the following week or in 2 weeks time. So this week we are doing a summary here on the price trend forecast of the FCPO. Basically, we are looking at an early pull down in this week before it goes higher towards the end of the week on Friday. So range are expected to move from 2300, and that's 2,300 ringgit per ton, going up to the first resistance at 2380, or even up to 2450. All right, unless the market breaks down below 2,300 ringgit per ton, then we advise all the long traders to be cautious in your risk control and stay out of the market. All right, thank you very much for staying with us, and this is Dawang here, one of your favorite market opinion leaders based in Busan, marketplace.com, and delivered this short videocast to you on behalf of Oriental Pacific Futures. Thank you very much, and do come back next week. Bye bye.